Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, that is Technical Knowledge Beta. This is Swapnil, and today I will show you one more video related to the data set and all. So if you are struggling with the data, if you want a data for the practice purpose or some visualization purpose, let's say if you are doing a Tableau or Power BI related visualizations and want to do some practices, so data is important part, right? So for that, what you have to is, there is a site called kaggle.com where you can download the data for free. You have to just sign in. So I have already signed into this, so I will do it one more time. Okay, so you have to just sign in, and this is my account. You can click on the data set on the left hand side, but you will get tons of data, lots of data related to the different requirement. Let's say I want related to computer science, education, classification, or NLP related, data visualization related, all you can do. If I click on all data set, let's find out some simple data sets. I think this coffee sales data set, yeah, you can download it from here. You have to click on the three dots and you can download it from here. I think already downloaded 2-3 times, okay, because I have created one video on 9 related, so I use that. But from here you can download the any data set. Let's say if you want to download BMW sales data set, you can just go over here, click on download, and your data will be downloaded in a zip format. Okay, so in a zip format, let's see how it looks. Okay, yeah. So this is one of the data set that I have downloaded, archive zip. Okay, if you click on this open, I think you will get in a CSV format, I guess. Yeah, you will get in a CSV format. Yes, coffee sales, because I think I have opened the coffee sales, but yeah, you will get in the CSV format, or I think in the Excel format, I guess also. So but this is how you can download the data from the Kaggle, and you can practice it for your Tableau or Power BI or whatever you have to do with that particular data. So this is the best way to download the data for your projects and all. If you like my video, then do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.